Hey y'all, so this channel is me doing this bun. This is my second time trying to do it. It did not come out how that first little clip was, but it's still cute. I used the Baby Bliss flat iron. I used that beeswax. It's really good for like slick ponytails and stuff. Get an edge brush, Fantasia braids, you know, blow dry. That's how old school blow dry works wonders, okay? All right, my hair was like previous straight, like I said, because I did a bun already. So make sure your hair is like straight. I'm not gonna go back in and straighten my hair all the way. I'm just gonna like straighten the back and like straighten the front because I'm ghetto like that. And then use, like I said, that beeswax that will like melt your hair. Is really good for it. I'm more all about convenience, y'all. Like I make it look good, you know what I'm saying? Of course I'm gonna get complimented, but I make it look good. I don't go the whole full route, you know. I go halfway when it comes to my head, but when it comes to my client's head, of course I go full blown into it because that's their head, and I don't play about my clients, and I don't let people play about their money, you hear me? Anyways, I'm doing my edges. I don't know why I didn't use my baby flat iron, but yeah, the lady had touched my hair. She was like, you got some pretty hair. She also told me I was pretty. I love that. Thank you, sis. You know, but my hair is really freaking healthy. I do offer my hair oils. Daughter by Jazz. Go follow me on Instagram. And if you get a code from this bio, you will be discounted. All right. Yeah, I have healthy hair. I love my hair. I cut it back in end of July last year, 2022, and it's back long. You know, and this year I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna see how far I grow. Anyways, let me see how long I get. So I twisted it only a little bit, but you can twist it all the way down and just, you know, buns you really got to play with. I tried to get it as close to how I had it the first time I did, because that was actually super cute, as y'all can see. And I have more clips at the end of this video or whatever, but yeah, just wrap it around. Keep the rubber band on the hair piece, the hair, when you take it out. You can use two, but I recommend like using like one bundle from the pack hair. And it was like the Ruwa brand I used, but you can use any brand. I think it was Ruwa or the Outre, whatever. You can use really either one. Sorry, this video kind of like ghetto and fast, but it's for the girls that get it. For the girls that get it. Something quick and cute. You know, you can make a bun classy or trashy. No, just playing, but yeah. And I didn't want all them extra edges. I did. Okay, of course, had some. I barely got them, you know. But just did the little two swoops on the side and a little swoop on the, you know, end, and kept it cute, kept it classy, jazzy. And yeah, I know y'all probably want me to shut up because it's been already almost 3 minutes. So yeah, I'll let y'all watch this and I'll talk when I need to.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby.
As you can see, I kept playing around my edges, but yeah, that's how they came out. This video was done in slow-mo. I didn't even know until after, but it gives a good look, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ruda by Todd doing her thing back there in the cut. Go follow her on Instagram too. She does her thing. Yeah, my hair's like slick enough for me, and yeah, I was fine, y'all. I was real fine. Go follow me on Instagram, Jazz at all. You know, all my stuff is linked below. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, and talk to me.